Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 25th through December 8th. We're going to first look at the period for November 25th to the 28th, and just what we're forecasting here. We have a ridge that will be moving into the west, troughing here in the east. This correlates with the trough here across eastern Asia. We'll have part of a system that will be, we'll go to the upper levels, part of the southwestern system that has been affecting the southwest or heavy rain. This system will move across the southern plains on Monday. It's on Monday, and this will support a surface low that interacts with deep moisture coming in from the south, and this will produce heavy rain and thunderstorms across the south central states. We can look at the rainfall amounts for this region. And you can see here we have, back it up a little bit. We have amounts for 3.40 inches here across this area, up to 3 inches. And then we go in the next couple of days, you can see we have 3 inches here across parts of the Arklatex region. So those will bring heavy rain and storms across this area. This system will then weaken as it, on Tuesday, as the system moves as a system over the southern stream becomes the dominant system, and we'll look at that at the surface. Okay, so here comes our southern stream system. Then we have a northern stream system. See right here. This will bring a front eastward. This will bring some rain to parts of the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. On Tuesday, there could be a little snow across northern New England. And this system will bring in a colder air mass around Thanksgiving. And then we'll continue with an active Pacific jet into the northwest. This will bring some precipitation in the form of rain and snow across portions of the northwest. Okay, we're going to look at the period for November 29th through December 3rd. And what we have here is a trough in the east that quickly lifts out. Trough in the west, ridging due to the southeast or southwestern Atlantic ridge. This will result in above normal heights across much of the eastern states. The models are pretty good agreement with this. You can see it here, not much change. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here, with anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal here, above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Call for above normal precipitation here and here. Probability is up to 40%, mainly across this area here. Below normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence is 35%. Still looking ahead for the period for December 4th to the 8th. And we see that the GFS has a trough in the west, region in the east. The European both have a trough in the west, ridge in the east. We look at the European, it's almost more of a broader trough. This is GFS. And then we look at the European has a trough in the east, mostly same as yesterday as this ridge builds in. So I'm calling for this forecast period. I'm calling for above normal temperatures here with anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures here with anomalies of up to 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is up to 40%. That is the long range weather forecast discussion for November 25th through December 8th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.